What if your dream home wasn't designed by an architect, but by a machine that knows you better than you know yourself? Welcome to a new era of design, where your future house is imagined by artificial intelligence. It's not science fiction, it's already happening. AI is revolutionizing home design, making it more personalized and efficient. Imagine a home that adapts to your lifestyle, learns your preferences, and evolves with you. This is the future of home architecture, and it's closer than you think. Traditionally, architecture involved sketches, blueprints, and physical models. But AI doesn't use pens. It uses algorithms, data, and generative design. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and AI CAD systems can now generate entire floor plans, interior layouts, and furniture arrangements in seconds. These tools consider your preferences, lifestyle, and even personality. Imagine an AI-driven consultation that tailors your home design, offering virtual reality walkthroughs to visualize your future space. AI also optimizes energy efficiency and integrates smart home features seamlessly. It's not just about aesthetics. AI-powered home systems are also deciding where sunlight should hit, how air flows through rooms, and what materials reduce your carbon footprint. It's not just smart homes, it's homes that think. Smart thermostats learn your schedule to save energy, while automated lighting systems adjust for optimal comfort. Smart security systems monitor your home 24/7, and voice-controlled assistants manage your daily tasks. Companies like Autodesk are developing AIs that optimize for energy efficiency, cost, and sustainability before the foundation is even laid. The future of home architecture is here, and it's smarter than ever. Can't decide on your couch color? Let AI show you 10 versions, in context, using your favorite palette and mood board, scraped from your Pinterest, Instagram, and Amazon wishlist. AI tools like HomeStyler and Reimagine Home use vision models to redecorate entire rooms from a single photo. Even better, the AI can factor in your habits, where you usually sit, where you put your keys, how much mess you leave behind. It designs for you, not just your space. Imagine walking through your redesigned home in VR before making any changes, and when you're ready, AI can even help you order the perfect pieces. Plus, it can sync with your smart home devices to create the perfect ambiance. The future of interior design is here, and it's personalized just for you. Humans design what we can imagine. AI designs what we can't even conceive. Generative architecture means the AI doesn't draw from a catalog. It creates new forms, new textures, even entirely new styles. We're seeing homes shaped like seashells, plants, even micro-ecosystems, built for beauty and function. The AI doesn't copy the past, it invents the future. From skyscrapers to floating homes, AI is redefining our living spaces. Imagine living in a home that adapts to your needs, powered by AI. The future of home architecture is here, and it's beyond our wildest dreams. Imagine a home that adapts to your circadian rhythm, your mood, and your social calendar. Walls that change transparency, lighting that evolves with your mental state, layouts that reorganize based on who's visiting. All because the AI knows you. Not just where you live, but how you live. Imagine a kitchen that adjusts to your cooking style, or a bedroom that optimizes your sleep environment. Picture a home that adjusts to the weather outside and keeps you secure with intelligent systems. Entertainment that tailors to your preferences, and a workspace that enhances your productivity. But here's the question. If your home is entirely designed by an algorithm, where's your identity in it? Some fear AI will erase the soul of design, the imperfections that make a space feel human. Others argue, what could be more personal than a home shaped around your data-driven soul print? The debate continues as we balance technology with the essence of personal identity in our living spaces. As AI continues to evolve, the question remains, will it enhance our living spaces or strip them of their unique character? Perhaps the future lies in a harmonious blend where technology and personal identity coexist to create truly unique homes. The architect of the future doesn't ask what you want, it learns. Then it builds, faster, cheaper, smarter. The question is, when machines imagine your future, will you still feel at home? As AI continues to evolve, it will redefine our living spaces in ways we can't yet fully grasp. The future of architecture is not just about efficiency, but also about creating spaces that resonate with human emotions. Imagine a home that not only meets your needs but anticipates them, adapting to your lifestyle seamlessly. This is the promise of AI in architecture, a blend of technology and humanity, crafting homes that are both innovative and comforting. Would you live in a house fully designed by AI, or do we lose something when creativity becomes code? Comment below. Subscribe for more futuristic reality checks. Because tomorrow, we explore how AI isn't just designing homes. It's rewriting the blueprint for furniture itself. Stay tuned, and transforming the way we live. The future of home architecture is here. AI just designed a chair with no legs. And it works! Next up, how AI is revolutionizing furniture design and transforming our living spaces forever. Stay tuned for more insights and innovations.